SpaceX, the unveiling of the in-space propellant transfer test. Witness the marvel of technology as SpaceX unveils the propellant transfer test executed in outer space. Venturing through the vast universe, SpaceX dares to conquer the new frontier, pioneering a new age of cosmic exploration. Watch as our Starship performs an unprecedented in-space propellant transfer. This technological breakthrough is a giant leap towards interplanetary travel. Our highly skilled team of engineers and scientists collaboratively designed this unique system, pushing the boundaries of space exploration. The successful execution of the in-space propellant transfer test demonstrates SpaceX's commitment to continually advance space technology. This innovation opens the door to longer space flights, paving the way for humankind's dream of reaching distant planets. Join us in celebrating this monumental achievement as SpaceX propels humanity closer to a future beyond the stars.